Unraveling a huge loss, understanding its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common but powerful phrase in English, a huge loss. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you express feelings and situations more accurately in English. So, let's dive in. A huge loss refers to the experience of losing something valuable or important in a significant way. This loss can be tangible, like losing money or an object, or intangible, such as losing an opportunity or a loved one. The word huge emphasizes the scale or impact of the loss, suggesting that it is substantial and possibly difficult to recover from. Personal context. In a personal context, a huge loss might refer to the death of a loved one, a severe setback in personal goals, or the end of a meaningful relationship. It conveys deep emotional impact. Professional context. In business or work settings, this phrase could mean the loss of a major client, a significant decrease in revenue, or the failure of a critical project. It highlights major professional setbacks. Cultural or sports context. In cultural or sports scenarios, a huge loss might be used to describe the retirement or death of a renowned artist or sports personality, or the defeat in an important game or competition. Expressing sympathy. I heard about your father's passing. It must be a huge loss for you and your family. Professional challenges. The company faced a huge loss after the new product failed to attract customers. Cultural commentary. The retirement of the celebrated musician is a huge loss to the music industry. A great loss, often used interchangeably with a huge loss. A significant loss. This also conveys a major setback but can be less emotional. A devastating loss. This is stronger, emphasizing a profound and often emotional impact. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, a huge loss, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and contexts they convey. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!